Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's jump in. So for our intro we're starting on the open E string, play 2 opens and then 3 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, and we're doing that 8 times. 8 times there, then just come up to an E power chord, hold for 2 bars. To a D power chord, hold for a bar and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then play 7 on the D, G and B. 7 on the D, 9 on the G, 7 on the B. Back to the 7s. And then back to the E power chord again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then play the E power chord again. And then we're doing the sus4, so we're going to add our little finger on the 10th fret on the B. So we have the E power chord, the E, sus4, back to the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, do a slide, palm mute the open D, then play a D power chord, palm mute the open A, and play an A power chord. And they're all the parts of the intro. So for our verse we're playing the E power chord for 2 bars, up to the D power chord for 2 bars, to the A power chord, this time we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bend the 3rd fret E, play the E power chord again for 1, 2, then slide up on the 5th fret on the B and also play the open E. Then 3rd fret B, open E, 2nd fret B, open E, then go to 2nd fret on the G, open B. So back to the E power chord for 2 bars, the D power chord 2 bars, the A power chord for a bar and a half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then play the open A, 2nd fret A. Then we're doing the C power chord, but play the 3rd fret on the A, then 5, G, D, 3 on the A, then just play the C power chord again to the A power chord, up to the E power chord for a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we're just doing the open E string, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and our chorus will continue straight from there. So that's our first verse. So for our chorus, play the 7th fret on the A 2 times, then 5th fret back to 7th fret. Then do the 7th fret again 2 times on the A, to 5th fret D, back to 7th fret on the A. Then do the first one again, 7, 7A, 5A, 7A. Then go 5 on the E and play an A power chord there. So do that 3 times and then just bend the 3rd fret on the E to an E power chord. And that's our chorus C. So then our next verse is the same, except our fill changes. We're still sliding up to the 5th fret with the open E. Then play open G 2nd fret B, open G, 3rd fret B, back to open 2nd, and then 2nd fret G, open B. And that's the only change there. From there we go back to the chorus, and that stays the same as well. For our bridge, we're just playing the D power chord for 2 bars, back to the A power chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bend the 3rd fret E, play the E power chord. Now our first fill, we're going to slide up to the 5th fret on the B, 3rd E, 5th on the B, then play the open G, come in with your bar, back to the D power chord, to the A, bend 3rd fret on the E and our open E power chord. Then we're bending 7th fret on the G, bend and release, 4 and then D, 7, 5, and then 7 on the A, and guitar 1 holds a 7, play it 2 times, then we play it again and again. And the second guitar's coming in underneath back to our intro riff again on the E. 6 times. Then the 7th time, just keep the palm muting going, 1, 2, 3. Do a D power chord and slide down, and then do our palm mute on the open D, D power chord, palm mute on the open A power chord. So 1, 2, 3. And they're all the parts of the bridge. So we'll do our solo rhythm and then we'll do our solo at the end. This time we're going to start with an open E, hold for 2 bars, then the D power chord, so similar to the verse, the A, bend 3rd fret E, and an E power chord. Now this time the fill's going to change again. We still have 5 on the B, sliding up open E, then play open E and B, 3rd fret B, open E, open E and B, 2nd fret B, open E and B's. And then 2nd fret G, open B. Then we just repeat that all again, except the first chord we play the E power chord, not just the open E string. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then for our 3rd verse, it's just the end of our other verses. We have the E, up to the D, to the A, the open A string, 2nd fret A to the C power chord. We're not doing the little arpeggio picking there. And then C, A, up to our E power chord, and then our open E string. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And that's our 3rd verse there. From there we just go back to the chorus. Just after the last chorus we have this little fill. We're going to bend and release 15 on B, play 12 G, then back to the bend 15 B. Then for our outro, play the D power chord, hold for a bar and a half, 3, 4, 1, 2, just do an upstroke and then back to the D. Then we're going up to the E power chord, a bar and a half, and then play the E 2 times. Back to the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, do a slide and our little fill, open, D, D power chord, open A power chord. Now the riff changes, we're going to do 3 palm mutes on the open E power chord 2 times, back to 3 palm mutes on the open E, to the E power chord once. Do that twice. Now do exactly the same thing but come back to the D power chord. Again, back to the E power chord, the same. Then we're going back to the D and we're just playing the power chord again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back to our little pickup on the intro. Now D to A. Now come to the E power chord. We're going to play it 4 times and slide down on the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Then do the same on the D. Back to the E. And again, then back to our D and our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and our little pickup again. Then go back to our palm muting riff, our 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 times on the E, back to the D, back to the E. Then just go back to our D with our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and our little pickup. And then just keep repeating that there from the till the end, and it's pretty much faded out by then. So there are the rhythm parts. Let's take a look at the solo. So for our solo we're going to bend 15 on the B and hold 12 E. Then on the B play 12, 15 bend, 12 E, 16 with a half bend, release, and then back to 15 on the B. Then we're doing this little blues lick. We're going to bend 17 on the G, play 15 on the B. You do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then go back to the bend on 17G. Then play 17 on the E. We're going to release the bend on 15 on the B, so we're starting with it up. 14G, 14D. Then we're jumping to 16 on the E, bend, release, bend, half bend again. Bend 17 on the E. Bend 19 on the E, bend and release. Play 18, 19. Then we're coming back to 9 on the D, G and B. Play 10B, 9 back on the B, 9G. Then on the G, 16, B, 17, 16 on the E, bend again, bend and release, half bend, 15 on the B. Then do our little blues lick again, the bend on 17G, 15, 17, 15. Then release the bend on 16 on the E, 17B, 14 on the G. Then we're bending 16 on the E again, bend and release, bend. Bend 17 on the E. Bend 19 on the E, bend and release. 18, 19, then come up to 22, play, and then bend there. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Saint and Sinner guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you loved Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.